So we've made it to that part of the week again. It is wash day. I am going to bring you guys along with me so I could show you step by step how this routine goes for me. So the first step of my routine is cleansing my hair. And one tool that I've been using and absolutely loving to pretty much enhance this experience for me is the Tangle Teezer Scalp Exfoliator and Massager. This is a dual purpose tool that can actually be used on wet or dry hair. I personally prefer to use it on wet hair, and I like to use it to exfoliate my scalp to help remove all the dead skin cells and product buildup that may accumulate during the week. This tool is very comfortable and easy to use. I love just taking my time and just massaging my scalp because it's so relaxing. I absolutely love it, and it's very satisfying to have a nice, fresh, clean scalp. So once you've thoroughly massaged your scalp, you're gonna go ahead and rinse out the shampoo from your hair, and we're gonna move into detangling. So once I thoroughly saturate my hair with conditioner, I am gonna be using the Tangle Teezer wide tooth comb. So this tool can actually be used on wet or dry hair depending on your preference. What I do love is that it does have dual-sided teeth, so it makes it very convenient to detangle. So the long, wide-set teeth help you gently detangle your hair without pulling. This was the side that I mainly used, and I like to start on my ends and work my way up. And the short two-tiered teeth help provide a deeper detangle, so it's perfect for those who suffer with stubborn knots. Like I had that issue mainly on my ends as well as some on my roots as well. So whenever I felt like I had a little bit of a more complicated knot, I'd switch sides and use the short two-tiered teeth. This comb also has a slim curved handle, which provides a very comfortable grip and allows for great control when detangling. So when detangling, I like to start on my ends and work my way up. I did use the wide teeth again for my ends, and then for the stubborn knots, I did go through with the short two-tiered side. One thing I did notice is that the short two-tiered teeth did a really good job at clumping my curls, so I may or may not try this as a styling brush as well, just when I want to get those nice clumped coils. So once I fully detangle, I'm gonna go right into styling. Of course, day one hair is not ideal when it comes to volume, so we are gonna go in with the Tangle Teezer hair pick. This tool is to be used on dry hair to add serious volume without adding frizz. The hair pick features extra long U-shaped teeth that effectively reach down to the root of your hair and create lift. One thing I love about this pick is the size. This allows you to cover more of a wider area when it comes to adding volume and picking at your roots. I love that, especially for thick curly hair. That is exactly what we're looking for. And just like that, look at these voluminous, soft, defined, fluffy curls. We love it.